Hi friends, Miss Arwood here. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be working on sliding sounds. Our learning goal says, I can blend sounds in a word with digraphs. Now, what are digraphs again? Yeah, digraphs are when two letters are put together and you hear one sound. They make up a new sound. Like C and H, we would hear ch. When you're reading a word that has a digraph in it, you want to make sure that you're looking at each of the sounds in the word and saying each of the sounds. Then, as we read them, we're going to go ahead and slide them, just like our snake is sliding down the slide. All right, let's go ahead and practice. Okay, that's a lot of letters, but I know right away that there's the digraph CH right there. And CH says ch. So we should hear ch, a, t. All right, I'm going to have you do it. We'll go ahead and say the sounds. Ch, a, t. Good job. Now, when we slide the sounds, we want to make sure we start at the very beginning. And as we slide through the different letters, we're going to hear a new sound. I like to take a really big breath before I start sliding so I don't have to stop in the middle. All right, here we go. Listen to me as I do it. Chat. Ooh. Chat. Do you hear that? Chat. Hey, what's that word, friend? Chat. Oh, yeah, chat. Like, let's have a great talk. Can you go ahead and slide the word chat? All right, get your reading finger. That's going to help you stay on the path to slide. Go ahead. Wonderful job, friend. You want to make sure you're using that reading finger. It helps to keep us organized as we're sliding through a word, especially when there's so many letters, like a word with a digraph. All right, let's look at another one. Oh, good. We can practice the ch sound again with that CH. What are the other letters going to make? What sounds? Yeah, good job. I, N. All right, we're going to start here. And as we start, we're going to slide the sounds all the way to N. Let's go. Get that reading finger. Chin. Ooh. Chin. What's that word? Go ahead and slide. Yeah, good job. Chin. As I get more comfortable saying the sounds and sliding them, I can say it faster and faster until I hear the word chin. Wonderful. All right. Ooh, what's this digraph at the beginning of the word? Yep, SH says shh. So we're going to hear shh, p. All right, go ahead. I'm going to have you try it this time. Get your reading finger. I want you to start with shh and slide all the way to the end. Go for it. Yeah, good. Go faster. Awesome. Ship. Ship. Hey, what's that word? Ship. Yeah, ship. Like, let's go on a ride on the ship. Awesome job, friend. You know what I love? That you were sliding very slowly to begin with to get your mouth comfortable saying those sounds. Then you're able to speed up. That's exactly what we want to do. Good job. All right, here's another one. We're practicing the SH digraph again, too. Shh. Don't remember, the first thing you want to do is just look at the letters and figure out what the sounds are going to be. Sh, t. It's kind of like getting on a map so that you know how to drive somewhere. Your car will know where to go. You need to make sure that you know what your brain and your mouth's going to be doing. All right, we're going to start right here. Get your reading finger, start at that dot, and then slide all the way to the end to read it. Go for it, friend. Awesome. Shut. Ooh, what's that word? Shut. I think I know it. Shut. Yeah, shut. Like shut the door. Shut the door. I'm reading. I need to practice in quiet. All right. Oh, WH is a digraph. WH says w. So w, it, p. What's that word, friend? Slide it. Whip. Oh, you're so good. Do it faster. Excellent. Whip. Yeah, whip. Nice. I like to put some whipped cream on my hot cocoa. All right, another chance to practice the WH. W. So we have w. What sounds will these make? Yep. N. W. All right, go ahead. I want you to start here. Get that reading finger and slide to the end and say the sounds. Good. One big breath. When. Ooh, what's that word? When. 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 Yeah, I love when we practice, we get faster and faster. Then you can hear the words so clearly. Great job, friends. Ooh, this one's tricky because TH makes a couple different sounds. But for this word, it's going to say so n. Can you slide it? Thin. Whoa, I heard it. Thin. Thin. Yeah, give me that thin noodle over there. I want to eat it up. Excellent reading. All right, this TH says v. A little bit harder. V at. What's that word? V at. Awesome. Good sliding. That. Wonderful. Try it again. That. Yes, one more time. Super fast. That. Look it. You just read that. All right. Our last one to practice is PH. Do you remember what sound PH makes? Yeah, PH makes the sound. No, I have no idea who came up with that, but it does. Yeah, it makes the F sound. PH together, the digraph makes a sound. So what are the sounds we're going to hear in this word? Yes. L. All right, go ahead and slide them. Make sure you start really strong and end strong, but saying that middle sound too. Good. Fill. Phil. Hey, Phil. Like, this is my friend Phil. Good job, friend. You want to make sure that you don't forget any of the sounds as you're reading. And sometimes when we're reading and we see a digraph in the beginning, we're like, oh, that's so many letters working together. But take a minute, look at the letters, and then read all the rest of the sounds. You've got this, friend. Our learning goal for today says, I can blend sounds in a word with digraphs. And that's exactly what we did. As the words that we're reading are getting bigger and larger and they have a lot more going on, like digraphs, we need to look for the parts that we know, and then we're able to slide them together. Take your time. It's not a race to get our brains and our mouths working together. All right? You've got this, friend. Good luck.